2021 was an amazing year for cryptocurrencies, but is there a crypto crash coming in 2022? Let's start the countdown and find out. Welcome back to the Investor Place Launchpad, where we take a look at trending investment ideas and try to rocket them to the moon. I'm Head of Mission Control, Aaron Davis, and this week we're taking a look at where the state of cryptocurrencies are headed into 2022, with some predicting a so-called crypto crash and others continuing to see potential heading into next year. As always, before we dive in, we'd love to continue to grow our channel here at Investor Place, so feel free to hit that like and subscribe button and smash that notification bell to stay up to date with us here at the Launchpad. With all of that out of the way, let's see what the pros are saying with the future of cryptocurrency. 2021 was certainly a memorable year for investors of cryptocurrency. The asset class saw substantial highs and lows throughout the year, but ultimately rounded out ahead of the game for savvy investors. That said, 2022 looks to be an interesting year for cryptocurrencies, with the market notably one of the more riskier, if highly rewarded sectors. 2022 looks to come with increased interest rates from the Fed. With higher interest rates, investors will likely become risk-averse with their portfolios. This leads to some to believe that the bearish approach to the crypto market may be the best interest for investors in the coming year. Additionally, with literally thousands of altcoins that offer little to no value flooding the market, meme tokens specifically will likely not be as prevalent in 2022. Investor Place market analyst and Moonshot author Tom Young had this to say about the state of meme coins in 2022. Consider the boom and bust of the dot-com era. In 1999, there were 1,100 e-commerce companies in the US per the University of Pennsylvania. By 2004, that figure had fallen to 31, even as total online sales grew 3x. No matter how fast a market grows, shrinking liquidity has a knack for driving weak players out of business. In 2022, meme coins will face a similar existential crisis. On Wednesday, the Fed ended its two-day meeting with clear intentions to wind down its $120 billion per month bond buying program, and economists now expect 3 rate hikes in 2022. However, Young was quick to also illustrate that not all meme coins will suffer that. A few may still be viable in 2022. Crypto.com coin and Dogecoin are two coins that, according to Young, people like to hold on to. Additionally, Crypto.com has seen incredible recognition based on its ad campaign and alternative app offering to Robinhood, and Dogecoin got another boost from Tesla CEO Elon Musk with the announcement that the EV company will accept Doge as payment, taking these two coins as standouts in the meme coin sector. Young isn't alone in 2022 being a cautious year for cryptocurrencies. Senior Investor Place analyst Luke Lango also shares similar concerns with the near-term state of the crypto market. Luke sees 90% of the altcoins out there ultimately failing, similar to the dot-com bubble of the early 2000s. Internet startups promising to change the world only to ultimately fail in execution. Lango also cited Chain Analysis' recent report that found investment scams involving digital coins as more of the same, quote, trash investments. However, this short-term bear approach doesn't reflect Lango's long-term bullish approach, as he had this to say about the short and long-term outlook of the crypto market. As long-term bulls, this is music to our ears. Near-term weakness is a long-term opportunity. We believe healthy fundamental adoption trends coupled with favorably shifting legislation and improving technology on the back of still robust funding will prove the crypto market significantly higher over the next 12 months, 3 years, and 10 years. Not all is bearish in the crypto market going into 2022, as there are still investments to be made in a market built on technology that will change how we work, consume, and interact with each other in the coming years. With a backbone that important to the future, there are still investments to be made that offer an opportunity to continue to make money in this sector. Investor Place contributor Faizian Farouk breaks down the 7 best cryptos to buy heading into 2022. Farouk looked primarily on coins that have the potential to have good momentum heading into next year. You can read the full breakdown over at investorplace.com. Link is in the description. But if you're looking for a starting point for potential cryptos, Farouk recommends the following: Cardano, WazerX, Chainlink, Solana, Chiliz, Stellar Lumens, and finally, Monero. Lastly, in looking at the overall landscape of cryptocurrencies, it seems that the pros all have one coin that will continue to be a good pick in 2022. With a virtuous tokenization cycle, NFT opportunities, and the largest pool of buyers, Ethereum looks to continue to be a winner in 2022. Cryptocurrencies are certainly not going anywhere, but being smart and educating oneself is the best way to make smart investments in this sometimes crazy sector. But what do you think? Is crypto headed for a crash? Is there money to be made in the crypto space in 2022? Are you holding on to your meme coins going into 2022? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, that's all we have from the Launchpad this week. If you'd like more insights like this and more details on some of the crypto picks we talked about, head on over to investorplace.com, where we release articles daily. We'll be taking a break next week for the holidays, but but be back next year with all new trends. And as always, check back with us here at the Launchpad, where we will continue to look for trends like the crypto crash, and as always, try to shoot for the moon.